welcome back. I am Tati and I am here at home doing my part quarantining. I'm sure many of you are, if you haven't already, peeling your nails or taking the gel off or just going crazy with the length. So I'm going to be using my time wisely and at least helping all of you guys kind of, I guess, make sure that your nails are kept healthy, regardless of the quarantine. So today's step is gonna be about soak off. When removing gel, the most important step is making sure that you're doing it properly so that you're not posing any damage to the nail bed, and soaking off is the way to go. So you definitely wanna start off with a file so that way you could break the top coat that's over the nail. It's just gonna make the soaking off a little bit easier. Now you don't need to go all the way down into your nail bed. Please don't, because remember, everything that we do is to make sure that nails are healthy and strong no matter what. So I just kind of look to see that I have the whole nail kind of buffed, that I don't see any, smooth parts from polish. There we go. Essentially what you need to do is soak this in acetone for 15 minutes using little pieces of cotton and holding it down on the nail. I use a clip, but you can also use aluminum foil. I'll show you how to wrap that. And my sister got these at a dollar store in our area. These are really awesome. I still prefer the clips mostly, but these are super great. They're only $1. They're super accessible. So hopefully your local dollar store would have them. But essentially what you need to do is soak the cotton ball in acetone, place it on the nail, and then you want to soak it there for 15 minutes. Let me show you how to do it with aluminum foil. So I'm actually going to take this one off. That's all you need to do. Just kind of place it on there, neatly wrap it. You want to pinch it a little bit so that way it kind of stays on the tip. Now, in the meantime, while I'm doing this, if you don't have, let's say the first step, if you don't have the cotton to soak in the acetone, you can totally make it work with like little folded up wads of like tissue or paper towel. Those you just want to make sure, like anything else, they'll dry a little bit faster than a cotton ball. So if you are doing it, you just want to make sure that you're covering those tips as much as possible. Worst case scenario, you can always just get a little dish, adding a little bit of acetone in there, and then dipping your nails. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes that my nails have been soaking. So I know not a lot of people are gonna have one of these just laying around the house, but a couple of other tools that you do have around the house that you could use would be the blunt end of a butter knife. Almost every girl's gonna have tweezers. Definitely can use that. The sharper part of it. And there's so many other products inside the house that you can use, even the edge of a fork, a lot of different things that you can use. And sometimes you can even use your nail. That's another one. So if you already have a little bit of length. All right, so I have all the product removed. Now what I'm gonna do is just use the softer end of my file and just gonna buff around the edges of the nail, around the cuticle line, and just smooth out the nail. So there you go, guys, how to soak off your nails while you're quarantining at home, but doing it a healthy way so we're not damaging. Definitely make sure if you're not subscribed that you do so and you hit that notification icon, because I will be going through what I recommend to do with your nails in the meantime until you can get back to your appointments, and then how to polish to perfection and get long-lasting regular polish, manicures, and a couple of other things. So definitely make sure that you're staying tuned and that you have your notifications on so you're not missing out. And until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.